friends, welcome to Mithi's kitchen. We are starting another one new session, which is we are making keema parathas. And for the keema, I have like 1 kilogram of keema, which is almost like a 90% of fat free. 3 tablespoons of cilantro, 1 big onion, 3 chopped green pepper. I have each of them garlic, ginger and chili paste. This is the 1 tablespoon of cumin seed. This is like a regular chili powder. This one is spicy. One of regular is 1 tablespoon. Another spicy one is half. And pinch of fenugreek leaves, which is our methi leaves. Also coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of salt. Half tablespoon of turmeric. Half tablespoon of dry roasted powder with the cumin powder roasted, and half tablespoon of garam masalas. So let's we start now. We will add little bit of oil, probably 2 tablespoons, because we don't need to add much oil. We have to try to minimize the any moisture goes in the keema, because we have to put it in the parathas. So at this point we will add cumin seed, after cumin seed we will add our chopped onion, we don't have to fully like too much brown or something like we usually cook our onion, but just at least moisture can get dry with it, and you will see that the keema will not release much water or fat, because it's really very much like 90% fat free and not much water also. So you will see that at this point I will add our veggie paste. So now we will add our green chilies, and also all our dry ingredients. We will just add little bit of water. So and at this point we will add our keema. We will let it cook probably couple of minutes like that, and then until that all moistures come out from the keema, then we will add our water, because we have to let it cook, right? So So friends, you can see that I have cooked without adding any water or anything 3 minutes, and now I will add cup of water. And I have kept on the medium heat, so we will let it cook another like 15 minutes, but in between I will stir that and I will show you how it turns. So now I will cover that and I will let it cook. Until then we will prepare the other part of this recipes. So friends, now we are starting another part, which is I have 4 cup of all-purpose flour, and it is organic, our maida flour. And also I have 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of salt, and couple tablespoon of oil. Because one thing I like to tell you, one good tips about the maida flour, I want you to add oil, otherwise it can turn little bit like more harder. So, and also eggs will help you to keep moisture more and soften with the flour. So we will make our flour. We need to mix well, and then we don't have to make too much soft or too much hard, like like a roti and paratha. We have to keep it little bit hard so it can hold our stuffing inside. So now you can see that our dough is ready, and it has to be like this good consistency. I had massage dough probably like 5 to 7 minutes, and it's turned out very well. So at this point we will let it rest probably 10 to 15 minutes. And also you can see that our keema is getting ready. So I just take out the lid and I will let it cook until this all moisture gets dry. Probably another few minutes, and we have to let it cool down. So probably it will take another 10 to 15 minutes, and we will be back again to resume our session, right? So friends, you can see that now our keema is done very well, and at this point I will turn off stove and I'll add my cilantro in it. And now we will let it cool down, probably like completely cool down, another 10 to 15 minutes, and we will start our another process. So friends, now you can see that our dough is very much ready, and also our keema got cold too. So I will take one big whatever size you like it, you can use it, but I like to take it something like that. So let's we start to make our paratha. So now we will add our keema, and you can use it how much quantity do you like it, as long as it's hold enough. That will be the matter. I think so this is enough good quantities. So now what we need to do, we need to hold the border and continues making like this. All needs to be gathered. You can just mold, and at this point what we will do, we can put the oil in the hand and try to do it both sides. Now I will increase little bit of heat, and we have to do softer. So now I will add our paratha in the pan. So now we will let it cook on low heat. While it's cooking, I will add our ghee on other side. So now we will turn other side. You can see that our Kheema's paratha is cooking very well. So at this point we will make another one. When you make it, we need to make sure it's all sticking together and we have to now we will turn other side. All you need to know, we have to cook on the low heat, not like completely low but like a medium, but we don't need to increase more than that. And when you make it by roller pin, you need to make sure it has to be little bit slow down, because you know that there is our stuffing inside, so we have to be more cautious about that. And stuffing paratha, we have to make it like little bit of thick, so it can hold our stuffing inside and it will be more delicious. And this kind of paratha you can eat with pickle, or sometimes like people eat with the tea. That's our tradition back home. So however you like it, you can enjoy this paratha. So now I will make it one more so kids can enjoy that. And also you can put this stuffing in airtight containers, so you can use it when you are ready for the next lunch, brunch or dinner time. That will help you to like less work, So friends, now you can see that our paratha is ready, and you can use, I have used all-purpose flour, but you can also make with the wheat flour too. And just follow some few tips, when you make the dough, make sure dough is not too soft and not too hard, that can hold our stuffing inside. And I love more all-purpose flour because you will taste it like a like commercial pastry. When we buy sometimes some stuffing items, that will be like that, so you will really enjoy that. And you can eat with anything, pickles or raitas or our Indian tea. You will enjoy that. And if you like it, please share with the friends and family, and I'll be back again with another simple recipes. Until then, have a blessed day.